Okay, I'm gonna make this video as brief as possible. Basically, we got the fan out, and because we're not getting a fan, the refrigerator and the freezer are not working perfectly. They're working, but barely. So what we did, we removed the fan right here, and we for 3 days this thing has been running. It's a fan and blows air to the refrigerator, and I managed to keep the refrigerator working perfectly using a secondary fan. Where what this fan need to do. I'm gonna be brief, so you don't need to skip and fast forward and miss a bunch of stuff. But these are the tools you need. You need a headlight like that, or anything that you can wear, because behind the refrigerator usually there is no light. All you need is a screwdriver. You need to have a 1/4 inch right here, and you're going to need to have a swivel like this. There's a bolt that needs to have that swivel taken care of. I did use a mirror, and that's so I can see what's going on underneath. You go like this, and you can see what's going on. And that is for this connection. This particular connection, let me focus. All it is, if you want to remember, you squeeze this. But you're not able to bend down and see it, so the direction of it, where it goes, to squeeze this button, I use the mirror. Now, this connection, all it is squeeze this two, one on each side. Okay, that one was easy, but this one is very difficult. Now, this Dewey key, allegedly it will slide out, but it took me a whole day to solve the problem because there is no video, and that's why I'm making this. If you look on the front right here, you see that hook right there? That's the front. The hook, when it wants to slide out, it catches there's a, imagine if the silver thing is right there. When it comes out, it hits that silver thing and stops it from moving. It hooks, see it's hooked right now. You see how it's hooked? It cannot come out. So you have to lift it above and slide it out. But the problem is even bigger because when you lift it above, there's a line, there's a freon line, tiny line that you need to clear that also. So the way this thing slides in and out, and when it comes out, you see the hook grabbing that piece of metal right there. Let me do the angle because I won't be able to do it there. Right there. See that hook? It's grabbing that metal and it won't let it come out if that metal doesn't move. And that's what the frame, this will be the frame of the refrigerator. And that hook is the reason I couldn't get it out. Otherwise, you put it in and out. I'm sure putting it in is easy because the hook is not involved. It's just going to go bloom. Second thing is the cage that I think is, let me see, condenser, I believe it is. Yes, condenser cage needs to be moved, and that's why we use this to unhook something that holds the condenser cage. Other than that, beside this trick right here, if you know this trick, how to get rid of this problem, you can probably get this thing pulled out in like less than 30 minutes. But it took me 2 days because there is no video and I didn't know how it worked. So, screwdriver, and try to get a screwdriver that is not sharp and not big because you can put too much force. I'm going to put the screwdriver right here. This is how you do it. While it's sitting, okay, you put the screwdriver right here and lift this thing up. Lift it up with a screwdriver, slide it out. That's how it's going to go. Alrighty, let's go. And also, If you want your refrigerator to work, use this fan to do what this fan should have been doing. When you get it, oh, by the way, I did not buy from Amazon or eBay. I bought direct because I have received fake stuff, fake spark plugs, fake oil sensors for my vehicle. So I bought direct. If this thing is fake direct, I'm doomed. But I'm hoping it's real because I bought it directly from GE, and they give you an option of $5, $17, or I don't know, $20 in 2022 to ship this thing. I took the 1-day shipment. Anyway, let's go see. Okay, this is the sliding point for the fan right there. This is where it slides out, and that hook needs to clear this line and this frame at the same time. So you have to lift it up. You have to push the line down like that and lift the plastic up so you can clear. We talked about it. There's a hook that grabs this thing so that, anyway, go to the beginning of the video. It will talk about it. Now this box right here needs to move to the right, and the way you do that, you take this off right here. There's a bolt. Once you clear this, you don't need to unplug the rest of it. Once you clear this, you can let me put some shine in that hole. That's why you need that bright light. You see that bolt right there? You take that bolt off. You see that leg right there? You take that leg off. This allows this box to move to the right, so we can clear this housing, because this is sitting like this, and the housing, the box not going to clear unless you move this box to the right. Once you did that, then you're clear. All that puzzle is a pain in the butt to figure it out. It took me a day and a half to figure it out, I guess. My main problem was this. But there's nothing holding it. Nothing holding it. Just that little hook right here we talked about earlier on the video. You see that hook right there? When that hook comes forward, it grabs this metal and the frame. And you got to push this metal down and lift the plastic up. Push, yeah, you see it? This plastic moves. Okay, push this plastic up, push this metal down, slide it out. Well set, that's the only secret. Of course, these bolts will clear. You have to, before you get that, these bolts need to be removed so you can get to those items. That's the main idea. I'm not going to show anything else. And also, we use the fan right there to do what this fan should have done. Hopefully things will work out. While you're at it, get a paintbrush and brush all the dust and put a vacuum cleaner next to it and suck all the dust so you can get an efficient system. Good day. That was my secret, and you can do it. You can do it. The puzzle is solved. This is the only video available. Don't waste your time as of June of 2022. Talk to y'all later. I'll show you when it's working. Okay, we're going to make a correction. The way I put this thing back together was, first I put this motor on the condenser like a hat. It goes on it like a hat. And then I lined up this thing that is like a zipper. You see right here? It's like a zipper. This is the fan side and this is the refrigerator side. And then I lined them up and just, boom, popped it in. So the motor goes in sideways. I guess when you want to get it out, same thing. It doesn't slide, even though I did get it slide somehow. God was with me, I guess. The motor comes out, it's like a zipper. Right now, when this thing is out, is able to go sideways. So I got it out going sideways or putting it in sideways. So anyway, try sliding it out and sideways, meaning move it toward the compressor. See if that will work. Definitely need to loosen the support right there. That support needs to be loosened. See that bolt right there? That bolt needs to be taken out. It's going to be a pain in the butt to put it back. But once you do that, this condenser is able to move back and forth, as you can see, and this part goes in like a hat. All right, that's it. Let's see if more problem will pop up. Of course, more problem. This piece needs to be moved around so you can hook this up. And also the other connection is a pain in the butt to get it in, but the clip is toward you, toward the toward you is the clip. So it goes in like that with clip pointed at you. Just remember that. This part needs to be moved so you can plug in somewhere around here, which I cannot see. I'm going to use a mirror to see it, or use my phone, whichever. But this part can be moved, and be careful with it because there's a bunch of lines, okay? This part right here can be moved. Alrighty? So move it as you need to, but carefully. Bye. This plug right there, make sure the yellow and the whatever, we're talking about this plug right there. That plug right there. The yellow will be on the front, the pink and yellow in the front, not in the back. Otherwise, turn it around 180 degrees, okay? Let's see if this thing will work. Okay, the magnet didn't work. It was too strong. It was grabbing the body. What we did is we used a piece of tape. Now we can tilt and the bolt doesn't fall out. Is the way I'm gonna go. Because when I do this, the bolt falls out. So now it's holding it. Hopefully we can get it done. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show it to you when it's done. Only way you're going to get the bolt in is using a drill and the tape. I taped it, randomly spun, and moved everything around, and I was rather quickly successful. Let me see if I can show you the bolt. Yeah, right there. The bolt is back in, and that's what holds the condenser. So definitely use a drill to get it done. And let me show you what we have to do to get it done. I bought this part. You can buy it from Harbor Freight, cheap, a couple of bucks. Okay, let me show it to you. This piece right here was bought from Harbor Freight for a couple of bucks. It goes in here. You do need a swivel. We did have to tape it and hold the little nut to it tight so it wouldn't move and drop every second. Swivel, drill. You must use a drill to put that bolt in. I randomly spun the bolt as I moved the box back and forth, and then it grabbed. It took only 30 seconds, okay? So it's not that hard if you follow these basic tricks. Ladies and gentlemen, the fan is about to run. Run. Is it going to run? Is it going to run? All right. Cheer for me if it did. I just plugged it in. It's getting ready. Ready. Whoa, it's running. All righty. This is the only video, so don't look it up, and I try to make it as brief as possible, okay? Good luck.